I'll show you how to change your TradingView background. Step 1. Head over to tradingview.com and log in to your account. Once you're in, open up any chart you want to customize. Step 2. On the chart screen, right-click anywhere in the empty background area. From the pop-up menu, click Settings. Step 3. In the Chart Settings window, go to the Appearance tab. Here, you'll see options to change background color, grid lines, crosshairs, scales, and more. Step 4. Under Background, click the color box and pick any shade you want. You can go with white, dark mode, or even use custom gradient or color picker to suit your theme. Step 5. While you're here, you can also toggle the visibility of grid lines, session breaks, and even hide or show the watermark on your chart. Once everything looks good, click OK to save and apply changes instantly. And that's it!